Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Chot Reyes, and best player of the game, Jason Castro. Coach Chot, tough win today. I heard in the huddle, you emphasized better ball movement and creating more opportunities for RHJ. When he struggled, Calvin and Jason stepped up offensively. How vital was their response in securing this Game 1 win?
Very important because Ronde shot really poorly. He didn't even hit 30% of his field goals. So it was important that other guys step up. They did a really good job defending Ronde. And when that happens, we have to be able to go to our counters. And Jason and Calvin were the ones who provided that firepower coming off the bench. So that's the good thing. It was a struggle for us the whole game, but at least we won with our import struggling with his offense. And I think we should be able to be better and grow from this game.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Jason, ang laki ng naiambag mo this game before you had to sit down. Dahil nung nakita mo na nahihirapan si RHJ offensively, you stepped up. Ano yung tumakbo sa isip mo noon to keep you guys in the game?
Siguro kung ano lang yung binibigay ng defense, yun lang yung kinukuha ko. At the same time, yun nga, kailangan mag-contribute sa scoring kasi that moment, hindi kami maka-execute it, hindi kami maka-shoot. So, as a veteran yun nga, parang kailangan mag-contribute. So, siguro, natapat lang. Pero personally, sobrang hindi ganun kaganda yung game namin kasi kung makikita nyo yung stats, kahit ako ilang turnovers ko at the same time. RHJ and then Pugoy also. So siguro yung defense lang namin yung nagpanalo sa amin this game.
We now open